Alright, so here we go. We're going to make a PO. Instead of 32, we're going to auto send it this one. This one here, I believe we have it set up to order. To order 48 at a time. So this one should be ordering 48 at a time. So 48 times 2 would be 96. So it should be ordering 96. Get everything up to the max. Okay. This one should be ordering 1. The last over 2. When it has 1, when it gets below 0, it should bring it up to the max. 1. It should have 1. Alright. And so let's create the PO. This guy, so we're creating the PO. PO is created. Okay. Now we go up to PO management. There's the PO there. Maybe it's not the PO. Should be the right PO created. Let's see if this is it. So 144. I will show what's happening. If there's two separate POs, it has different vendors. Oh yeah, this one has a different vendor. Let's go, this one has that. Okay. So that's what happened there. Okay, so here, I have needed 96. For some reason, it ordered 144. So, we had that set up as 96. We just made a change, so we need to fix that. This set up as 10. Process that. Now the PO should be ready to receive. Comes up 1, 2, 3, 4. $12 free. Today's date.
What I was thinking there was
Recording. So once I have this done, it's showing me the $12 for free. It's showing me this. When I go to receive, I should be able to say I received 2. When I change the price to 79, it should happen. So right now, it abandons stuff and goes right to price change. If I change prices here, 159, this margin doesn't change at all. If I come here and change this to 165, margin doesn't change. So if I change the margin to 68, price doesn't change. So these are not working together. If I say recalculate, it will put it back to where it was. So I need to go ahead and get that working. But when I'm done this and I say close, it closes the whole PO. See, I'm completely out of the PO. So I should be able to finish receiving my PO before it asks me for that kind of stuff.